today we're doing the CO2 or core laser on the patient. She has deeper rhytids or lines in her face. So we can choose between a light, mid, or deep. We are doing a mid fusion right now. The deep CO2 would be in the operating room. You can do lighter or these moderate with a topical numbing cream alone. And are you feeling any pain with this?
Not much at all.
Very good. So it's very comfortable. She'll be red and have flaking skin for the next week. She'll be wearing Aquaphor or Vaseline to help protect her skin after the procedure.